What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Shadysideup network, where we give you all your sunglasses needs, show you how to build that sunglasses business that you always wanted to start or that you already started and need help with. So today I just want to do like a little studio vlog. You know, we work from inside the house until we build gradually to get that studio. But right now we in the house, so we're gonna be packing over 150 orders from the Black Friday weekend. Now I know for some people that's a small order, for some people that's a huge order. For us, we're just grateful for where we are in the scaling process. So right now we're grateful for that many orders. That's a blessing. So yeah, let's still go on this journey. Oh, and one more thing. Roman's not here. Roman's out of town. He don't get back till Sunday, so I just wanted to get these orders out. I don't like people waiting for their orders. I like to give them speedy shipping so they can get their products and enjoy them, because I don't know what they order for. It could be like a weekend out, it could be a date, it could be a cruise, it could be a wedding, it could be a party. For whatever it is, I just want to make sure you get your shades. So Mike is gracious enough to help me. Let's go. First things first, I got to get the whole house ready, because for an order this big, I got to utilize everywhere. This is our shipping station, and this is where I come and print out all the printing slips. So let's open up the website and go into the back page. This is the back page of Shopify, and as you can see, I got 148 orders. I know I said 150, but in school they taught me to round up, so in real life, I'm gonna round up. Yep, you know it. So yeah, I select all the orders, and let's do a printing slip. And of course, we're gonna protect the privacy and y'all addresses, because you know what they say, don't send her your dot. That's how you get, you know the rest. Y'all listen to the album. Come on, man. Let's print these slips. And this is what I call my blessing booklet, because it's so many orders that look like a booklet, and it's a blessing. And this is that Rolo printer I was telling y'all about. It is a lifesaver and time saver. Y'all can get it in the link in my bio description for my Amazon storefront. Trust me, this is one hack that everybody who got an e-commerce needs to have. So this is me printing out the orders, and it's a lot of orders, so I'll sit here for a while. But as I said, it's a blessing, y'all. This is me wiping down the last thing I had to clean up, because I had to mop the floors, wipe off the tables, clean all the bed sheets, because I had to utilize the whole house, y'all, for this many orders. But, you know, cleanliness. So the process begins with Mike laying down all the bubble mailers anywhere he can find space at that I cleaned. Then I followed him with the printing slips so I can have everything organized when I start laying out all the shades. And then I started laying down the shades on each order, and the most important thing to look at is the quantity, because you don't want to make a mistake and someone ordered 2 shades of the same thing and only put down 1 because you were looking at the picture instead of the quantity. So small little hack, always double check the quantity and always double check at each step of the process, please. As I told y'all, we was in line. I had to utilize the whole house, so I cleaned all the sheets, wiped the tables, vacuumed the couches, because, you know, got to keep it clean and sanitary. But I'm telling you, we had to utilize the whole house. That's how many orders we had. Until we get into a studio, this is what we have to do. This is our largest one-time order. So had to do what we had to do, y'all. But as I said, thank y'all. This is a blessing, even looking at this again. Wow. Y'all showed out. Oh yeah, I also want to show y'all a little exclusive just for y'all who watching the YouTube, you know, a little treat for y'all. You know, we appreciate every subscriber. Check these out, these new frames that we're going to be dropping soon. Let me know what y'all think about these. I think they absolutely fire. I feel like they're going to be my new favorites. Great quality, nice tint, fire. Also, we're going to start doing collabs in 2023. Not a lot, maybe there's 3. I think these gonna be one of the first ones we collab with somebody on. We already talked to the person, they down, but I don't wanna give it away yet, but yeah, let me know what y'all think. Look at the detail on these things. And also, probably come in black as well, have a black tint. I know some people like the bigger frame, so let me know. This is exclusive just for y'all to see. But yeah, we're excited for what 2023 got in hold for us. And it's gonna be a lot more content, but let's get back to this video. So here I'm gonna give a demonstration of how we pack our orders. I didn't want to have y'all sit here and watch me pack 150 orders. So I said, let me just show y'all one order and you'll get the gist of how we pack everything basically for the rest of the 149. But yeah, you know, we fold up the printing slip it into the bubble mailer. Then I add each shades in the box. Nice ASMR right there. And I peel off the little sticky thing. That's what I call it, the sticky thing, the adhesive. And I make sure that it's stick down and it's properly sealed so no rain, no debris get in there, and nobody can just open your package before you get it. And then I gotta slip on the shipping label. And of course, we're gonna protect that address because y'all know, never send that dot. And last but not least, I'm gonna put a fragile sticker on there so that the carrier knows to handle this with care, just like you will handle your girl's feelings with care. Now, I hope that this sticker does its job, but who knows? But I'm hoping because I pay for them. Now, for international packing, you gotta fill out a U.S. Customs Declaration and Dispatch Note, which basically looks like this. See if it focus. You will have to fill out one of these when you're shipping internationally. And basically on the inside, all it is the sender's information, the person you sending it to's information, the weight, what it is, and then you gotta sign it, and then you gotta take it to the post office. It's a little bit of extra work, it's tedious, but it's the necessary steps to ship internationally. You know, that's the way we've done it thus far. If we find a better way, we will let you know, but thus far, we have been using these, because we use the USPS when we ship internationally. All right. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it took us all day to pack all these orders, so here's a quick montage of me spreading them all out so I can get them ready to ship out the next day because, man, I was so tired at the end of this. My back was hurting. Y'all know I'm 34, y'all, so things don't work the way they used to when I was younger. But once again, this is beautiful to see. Y'all showed out. Man, I'm so grateful. Just looking back at this, narrating this, I'm grateful. So you know, I love y'all for all of this because, you know, we going on that journey to 7 figures trying to scale this thing. So just want to show y'all everything. I was sick of people coming here and filming this. My bad, y'all. I forgot to charge the battery and the battery died, but luckily enough, I was still filming on my phone. So this is me finishing putting all the packages in the bin. Because when you have this many, they allow you to go to the back of the post office and you can just drop it into a bin and push it in instead of going on the inside. So this is me doing this for the first time and it was so exciting. Like, we could have did it before, but this time just felt right. So yeah, man, thank y'all again for all those orders and man. So that's the studio vlog. That's how we pack 150 orders. You've seen us pack it, you've seen us organize it, you've seen us print out the labels, the printing sheets, you've seen us drop it off. So thank y'all for tuning in. And of course, if you got any value, if you got a laugh, if you like this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. We're gonna have a lot more content. We're gonna be showing you the whole things, ins and out about the sunglasses business and brands for anybody who's starting out, anyone who's already existing, anyone who want to scale like us, and we want y'all to follow the journey. So make sure you like and subscribe. To the next video. Peace.